Alright, so here we are. It's middle to late July 2017. And I need to get back on this. Got the Shelby out of here. Put the bike outside. We are going to attack this body. Work my way across. I still have to strip off on this side this plastic cover, this door handle lock, mirror, trim, and then the bottom side skirt. Alright, I'll take off this inner door panel first, because then I'll be able to get to the lock and the handle. And that mirror, which is just this plastic cover right here. And then I'm gonna pop this off, this panel, so I have to remove from the inside driver's upper seatbelt mount, this inner plastic paneling here, this, and then that'll come out. And then I'll work on that. So you get to this, I think there's 2 or 3 bolts on the inside, which is why you have to remove this plastic. Sounds like fun. Alright, let's start with this door panel. Alright, so to take this inner door panel off, you're just going to need some sort of tool to pry off some of the pop clips, flathead, and a Phillips screwdriver. So out. And you need 2 Phillips screws removed, and just pop off that connector, and then this will come out. So I'll take this upper seat belt bracket off. This is a T50 Torx bit. How the hell do I pull this off? Alright, so there's a, I don't know if you can see that up here. It's like a coat hanger hook. And it's a Phillips head. It's a Phillips head. So I'm sure that's what's holding up this. Yeah. Alright, so we got the upper seat belt removed. Now we're going to take this inner plastic panel off, and I think the only thing that's really left holding this is these push pins. Back there is one there, one down here, and then one down at the bottom there. So I'm going to pull those out. I'm going to pull the sill plate off because I have to take this off and see how far we get from there. Alright, let me get those push pins out back there. Hold on to that. So there. So remember this probably next year when I put it all back together. This tool, so this lip, this plastic lip went around this. So I just went like this from the bottom and pulled all the way up. It popped it through, and I just pushed it and it popped right out. So that's how you get that out. Just give a little push. Okay. Got clear access to take that up, this plastic nonsense off from the inside. One nut there, one up there, one down there, and I think there's one right there. Hopefully I'm aiming right. And then this will come off. So I think those are also 1/2 inch 7/16 nuts. And they need to be deep. Right. See that or not? There's one. Two. You don't want to drop the nut. Okay, you don't want to drop the nut inside or you're getting a new one. You can see that over there. Why does this one seem like it's finger tight? Oh, because it is! So the idiots who worked on this car before I bought it, which was in '97, forgot to tighten this one. Alright. Yeah, it does. Awesome. Flies right off. So. Probably gonna get a new one of these, but keep it so I remember where it came off of. Driver's side. Alright, let's take this side scoop out now that we have the inner panels off. Pretty easy. So next to the rat's nest, literally, there's this plastic cover. Okay, it's held in by a pop clip. Let me pop that off. Okay. Alright, to take this out, you're going to need a 6-inch extension, a swivel, and a 1/2 inch socket. Pull this out. Reach in. I'm getting this lower one right now. Just and get it over the stud. Alright. And then you crank on it with the ratchet. I need 2 hands for that, but you get the point. Alright, got my arm all chewed up, but got all the bolts off on this. There you go. And then it's right back to the rear brakes. Boom.